Would you rather questions for teens? Would you rather get a full-time job or go to college? Would you rather save the world from an alien invasion or save the world from a terrible disease? Would you rather be a poor doctor or be a rich janitor? Would you rather be the best athlete in school or be the smartest student? Would you rather listen to music with headphones or listen to music with speakers? Would you rather give up your phone for 2 months or go to summer school? Would you rather drink juice or drink soda? Would you rather get dumped in front of your friends or get dumped through your phone? Would you rather give a speech in front of the whole school or clean the bathrooms at school every day for a week? Would you rather listen to the same song for a year or watch the same movie for a year? Would you rather do the laundry for your family or cook dinner for your family? Would you rather have lots of energy or have lots of money? Would you rather become a baby overnight or become an adult overnight?